Hi guys, John here with Michigan Adventure Life. This is my gear loadout video for my upcoming hike to the Pinckney Rec area. We're just going to go through my gear and I'll show you how I pack it on my bag. Alright, we'll start with the bottom of the inside compartment here. In here is going to be a little bit more of my smaller stuff. This is just a bag of lint, first aid kit, extra batteries for my camera, stuff like that. Hammock for the trip. We're doing a hammock and tarp rib, Grand Trunk, Meyer brand hammock. Real nice single person hammock. AquaQuest is my tarp. It'll be pretty nice, pretty easy to set up. It's a good size, it's a 9x9. We got plenty of paracord we're bringing just in case. If it does snow, hopefully it doesn't, but if it does I might need to put up a ridge pole for my tarp. Just help keep it a little more taut, keep the snow a little further away from me. In this bag is my ridge line and my hammock straps. Definitely recommend straps over anything else for holding a hammock. There's just nothing else like it. Down there will be my food bag. And my pillow. On the very bottom of my bag is going to be my ground pad. It's my Lightspeed ground pad. Got an R value of 9 for keeping me warm when it gets real cold. Pretty much my only ground pad that I've been using. It's been real reliable, real helpful. There we go. Alright, in the main compartment of the bag, it's going to be my sleeping bag. Going with the Teton. This is Drew's sleeping bag. It's got a rating of 0 degrees, which hopefully it's not going to get even close to that. But after sleeping in -11, not going to take any chances. I'd much rather be warmer. Because of the size, it does have to go up here in the large compartment. And then we can do up the rest of the straps. We'll start with the side pockets next. Go over this one. Will be where my canteen is. Canteen pot cup combo. Pretty nice setup. Pot and cup. Comes with a nice lid. Over in this side pocket will be a battery bank just in case for my phone, camera, battery, stuff like that. The beer for the trip, which is Moon Tower Double IPA. I believe it's at 8.4%. Let's see how she goes. As well will be my pack cover in case it does snow or rain. On the top pocket here, I got a nice little journal, trail journal. Sometimes it's nice just to write your thoughts down or anything like that. A couple things I want to get to a little quicker. Surplus mittens in case it gets real cold. Generally my hands are pretty fine. I don't always wear gloves. I got another pair of thin gloves just in case though. Again, don't want to ever get too cold. You don't want frostbite. A shemagh for a scarf. My hat. Headlight, black diamond, real nice. And hand warmers just in case. Depending on how cold it gets. This is going to be my grill. Just a nice Coghlan grill. Proven to work pretty well so far. Butt pad, just a Thermarest pad. Fanning fires or anything else like that, always super helpful. Nice for a little extra comfort if you need to end up sitting on a log or something like that. I'm not bringing a hatchet or an axe or a saw or anything on this trip. I'm going to be relying on my knife. It's a Tops Brothers of Bushcraft knife, the Brachimo. And my fire steel. My boots that I'm bringing are my Keen hiking boots. They've been on every other trip with me so far. Got the Yak Track Pros on them. They fit on the bottom. They're a lifesaver anytime there's any kind of thin layer of ice or anything like that underneath the snow when you walk in. Definitely really make a difference. And then my raincoat, which I'll probably just be wearing the whole time, just as an extra layer. And that's about everything else I'm taking. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And check us out at MIAdventureLife on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for watching.